Alright guys, so welcome to my walkthrough of task 1 on the moles task sheet. Okay, so the purpose of these walkthroughs is just to make sure that everyone understands how to do question 1, question 2 and question 3. Okay, and some people in class may be worried about putting their hand up and asking a question, but I encourage you to ask as many questions as possible in class. Okay, so Avogadro's number. Okay, so Avogadro's number is 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23. So this is a number that you're going to have to commit to memory. Okay, and we discussed this in lesson. To find out the number of particles, we multiply Avogadro's number by the number of moles. Okay, and particles, just a blanket term for, it could be ions, it could be atoms, okay, it could even be molecules. Okay, now to do question 1, okay, to find the number of atoms, okay, we will multiply the number of moles, which is 0.5, by Avogadro's number, which is 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23. Okay, and we would give our answer, which would be 3.01 times 10 to the power of 23 atoms. Okay, now we would apply this sort of same principle, same equation to question 2. So the number of ions is equal to 2.5, which is our number of moles, times by Avogadro's number, which is 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. Okay, maybe just to clear things up, we could put this in brackets, Avogadro's in brackets to avoid confusion, and we would get an answer of 1.505 times 10 to the power of 24, and we're looking for how many ions, so ions. Okay, now same thing with the number of molecules for question 3. Okay, now again, moles, 5 moles, and Avogadro's number. And once we've done this, once we plug this into our calculator, you would get an answer of 3.01 times 10 to the power of 24 molecules. Now, for those of you who are well versed in maths, you will know that this standard form, these sort of numbers, to the power of 23, to the power of 24, to the power of 24, it's a lot of molecules, it's a lot of particles, there's a lot of ions, it's a lot of atoms. Okay, so hopefully you found the walkthrough through task 1 helpful. I'd love to hear your feedback in class. Bye guys.